stomach, ear, elbow, chin, teeth, eyebrow, mouth, forehead, hair, cheek, eye, neck, shoulder, nails, knee, foot. Wake up early. Brush teeth twice a day. Do exercise regularly. Take a bath daily. Wear clean clothes. Pray to God daily. Wash hands before and after meals. Put garbage in the dustbin. Play outdoor games. Use handkerchief when cough or sneeze. Eat fresh and healthy food. Reach school on time. Study regularly. Stand in line for the bus. Say thank you when others help you. Say excuse me when interrupting. Say sorry when you make a mistake. Go to bed on time. Do not scribble on the wall. Switch off unused lights. Help parents with chores. Always listen to elders. Do your homework regularly. Avoid eating junk food. Drinking plenty of water every day. Cut your nails regularly. Always close flowing taps. Always share the things. Manners with guests.